na ne NDC for dia enti munya gyimii no munya gyimii na 4 years na wa ya mo sa kwotena opposition 8 years se munyi ma me afia na mka kire me se 4 years na wa ya mo sa kwotena opposition 8 years
enti tiktokers for no edi ablakwa adwuma o monchimenka hawiness no na other side no Afia Schwar niggas wa Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian wa boni minimum pampe so mani nya ahome ni nyina afa Ralph Echo Rich Hospital na hono enokoye basabasa ni de bi wo hono Afia Schwar say Ralph o man nya odia ontumi nye de ope e wo Ghana Afia Schwar abe clash with Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian mema wo chiribu no akere wadwen amame e wo comment section aha Penyah block media meswa say ni die mu obe like video no ada ma subscribe button so be click notification icon no latest updates na be kere wadwen de amame e wo comment section meswa so baswa no wa video mo for anya bi ahwe ente nyina yenimu Ralph e wo Ghana ha as initially na why no freedom fighters or Penyah konkro Ghana yie what I say fix the country activist Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian na say or Penyah konkro Ghana ndi no ye nyina hu 2024 to the contractor cry ye kwan no Ralph 8 mi call no e stop no e say kwan na wo ye no ade a wo de ye kwan no enye papa ne ade enye se na Ralph o ye no hu bi pa ne say odoman no e ma nyina hu ye national cathedral hodom no fence na no mat okobubu ye e say Ralph eye no hu bi pa e wo Ghana na Ralph am no kana asemi na ana enra according to Ralph no okọ Rich Hospital onyamoto accident na onyamoto accident and okọ Rich Hospital okọ ye no just na obi a o bleed we prayer a o bleed na according to him na nurses for na so moyi woni ama na ono nkwa to na say o bleed nurse ni bia attend to him ono nkwa de te ho ana o bleed ana to him no sa kire mu say now there was another patient be another guy be so de na ba ana guy the conditions no e serious and o here medical attention banana is no Rich Hospital no just say ebi ma humani emi omo phone just make say na ebi WhatsApp ebi tweet ebi na TikTok videos na de na Ralph eti ho emoji etu no any other guy so emoji so etu no and then can Ralph I say as usual yeni mu no can Ralph tu ni say across what well is here ehene ha esema about Rich Hospital the whole Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian na mabana me yare a boy money any moves media ebe no so TikTok live Ralph eye no hu bi wo ho dede de okom wo ho papa
Let's go.
We'll see if you have a job tomorrow.
No, let's respect him. Let's respect him. That's fine.
Like I said, even if it's dressed it's fine.
Okay. If you're the only person I can allow to read this. So if you can dress it.
That's why I've come. I was coming to dress. I was coming to switch it for you myself. So if you can wait, we'll be ready. So if like you can wait when I'm ready, I'll come for you.
Right.
Okay.
That's
easy.
That's fine.
Everything why?
No, but I say a man public. I say a man public mu. I think you maybe I say. So catch me say, oh you concerned about video and that public echo viral. But when you concerned about nipa na owu na. Yeah, what now?
Did they attend to the person? Did they do the necessary treatment? A civilian came to do that. You are yet they're all rich. Nurses don't know how to talk nonsense.
Charlie, I've been bleeding for like 3 hours now. 3 hours.
Stick it with a dirty needle. Don't play with it. I'm telling you. What do you think happened to Easy?
How are you doing? Where did you park? Where did you park? Eric, where?
Civilian that came in to attend to a man, somebody who was close to death. This lady that came to assist, not a nurse. Rich Hospital, a civilian who came to perform the necessary treatment, which the nurses around. Because they are talking about degree. Degree. Talking about degree. They are not serious. Madam, thank you very much. Okay. Take a picture. I'm putting in complaint. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, yeah. We love degree more than we want to. Degree no one can see the panel.
Everyone wants say degree, degree. Who you see?
No, I see degree.
I see.
Scrambler, yeah. So
okay, so I'm the caution.
Okay, so I'm caution Parliament. So I'm moving on court. So. So right now, Rage Force, I'm a problem with me doing a video to call the attention of the public that there is a patient that has been neglected at the hospital. Myself, I have been bleeding for past 3 hours ever since we came here. That after stabilizing the blood, getting the blood stopped, nobody was attending to me. Only for one of the patients in there start, palpitating. No medical term. And now they are much concerned about their video being in public, and that this is the kind of system we are living within. So when you rise up and you are speaking against certain things, that they are much concerned about video that public, but they are not concerned about the life of the person that is still in the ambulance sitting here and nobody is moving it. It takes the video we did for nurses and doctors to rush in here to prepare a transfer for the patient because they say they can attend to him now. And for the past 20-30 minutes, that person is still lying down in that ambulance. Nothing has been done. That is him lying down there. There's the kind of country we're living in. So the system is failing everybody. So if you are watching this video and you are insulting, relax. Relax. The system will fail all of us. Me, my own, maybe. Maybe I am okay. By your own, it will take just 5 minutes that somebody's neglect and somebody's negligence, ignorance will take your life. Let's wait. Let's keep quiet as if nothing is happening. Boss, you be the ambulance driver. What is happening? What's going on? Hey, Asemo Ghana. Inti yambe kasan fa kwa we hu ana oda ho no musa me na me pray no ma ba hospital no me ndwene me de ho obi da ho no ma owu nurse for say obi a suro so obekọ no ho dia doctor to me bie na no say wo hwe na say obi mu ye dede wa na mu ntumi na mu suro a mu pie nje omo nko na patient ni ngugu no mu yeah but at the end of the month ya the sani pa we asika ebetua neka. Whether so chia tax direct or indirect or chia tax is more minor. Whether so chia on or your minor ba ne hu betunya manfaso am or minor. It is all yare ba ha. See a channel. Hospital way ya the way sika ka hu ne di see here. My ben ye titiri. My ben ye titiri. Nurse ni aba ka chen say our problem with video na me ye no. Na mu ni abegu ya no. Dan nipa ne nkwa no. Obeda ka you man can go 30 minutes. There be catch a video no more saying or better can you see I'm 30 minutes. The coma boo, the naya boo, or Fimoja or the Hoda. Yenya it's now mine, Yenya better him na elbow boba. Where's the car?
And my whole video now I was so surprised to see Ralph doing this because over 2024, somewhere June, July, only a demonstration. Stop Galamsey now demonstration and Occupy Jubilee House demonstration. That demonstration we are here now. Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian and the tag almost blockade the road leading to 37 military hospital.
That is untrue, man. That is untrue, man. That is willful. Because almost say there's a medical doctor who were inside that. They want to allow the medical doctor to go. And they said no, they won't allow the medical doctor. Even the police car. Yeah. If you could see, sir, the police car, they are descending. They say the police car should get back. Even police car from almost Sakeno. Yeah, you can see they block the road and say no car passing by. Even a police car, they are sacking him. Yes. They are sacking the police. The police should go back. Yes.
Omo blockade that road. Emma that day in the crown. Na ambulance. Eba nipa wo mu is na ambulance. Abeka blockade no echi. Emma one of the people no muchi cars be eba be Ralph say na Ralph. Demonstration mo ya ma block road no. Say ambulance ebe nipa gum. Omba dai abesna obi wu a ede na benya. Ralph etimi bi nanum e ka say Ghana mo abebrebe ba ko pewu a na ayede. What I say? Asema 18 pefu Ralph enum ba Ghana mo abebrebe no ba ko pewu a na ayede. But ono according to him ye wan fa na bi antere but according to Ralph we cry your agenda or set your agenda hospital or kwe dede hunu. According to Ralph no just ono no de oye nipa or call hospital ho no na young man attendance no obia emehwe no de ko pai but tem na oye demonstration no obi yale the ambulance mu Ralph kwadonto we e ka say Ghana mo abebrebe ba ko pewu na ayede. Ralph omane nya ode o Ghana nya ode a o papa nchechire o act said de Ghana ya ode ase de Ghana ma o nko betuma tam Ghana bo wachi Ghana so sinem Ghana is bigger than you o ya nkwase ade ye dede hunu kala said de wuti abofo di nkwase ade o Ghana ha ejaju na o ye no e na Afia Schwar abe clash with Ralph DeFelloe Ghanaian no de nyansa abe Ralph tire
can't say mo ina menko very important. Me hu sa branti bia Courage Hospital na ya nhwe no na ne nkrofo buafu enu nti omo ye recording ene anyamanyama and I don't agree with what happened with the doctors and I really sympathize with you people. However, nipa ba ko na yare nipa do say ne hospital Ghana for say a person will be a dimraso a yen nyina yen dimraso na yen jai gyimii wo nipa ba ko yare enti wo hospital facility atwe camera si wo bia so and the doctors said you don't care about the sick people, you are screaming and running in an emergency ward. What gyimii anasa dey na utili what boredom what kwasia wate. Huh? Who the fuck do you think you are? Huh? Omo that hospital no. Omo catch us omo person omo ba wo camera nim. Huh? If you are dealing with the nurses, go to the nurses counter and deal with them. You are causing chaos in an emergency unit. Mona muru mu no ye nim virus amudi be wa ho. Ana Ghana fu ebi ni mo gyimii sa. Do you think because you have camera to video everything, so you must video everything and put it on social media? You are depicting your stupidity and your foolishness. If Ghana is any serious country, that young man must be in jail. Ofo sem kwase ade na aye ne be boy ensem ama wo. Wa boda mwate. Asia wo di nipa do say na ko. Wo di nipa ba ko. Enti wo nipa ba ko no, ne ho hia che wo mom go hospital wo nyina. You are yelling, screaming in the hospital. In one of the videos, me who say Arifone Pamachao, some video numpo. What the fuck? What the fuck? Moka said doctors need nurses for matter or mom. And that former go school na kwaya nurse ni bi. We need payare and the world should come to an end because your patient is sick. And you don't give a fuck about anybody. I'm saying it again. If Ghana is any serious country, that person should be arrested and everybody who was running about in the hospital. Nipa ba kunti nipa besa 20 and then go hospital wo to America causing chaos. Nyame ampata be dani wani na wa wo yare ndi atamo phone call. What the fuck? What the fuck? Are you stupid? Are you out of your senses? You jump into the hospital and start making noise because of what? Because of who the fuck is who? Because of what? Who nipa na wo de ne call no? Oye nipa e chen de omo anu omguo na na. Who nipa na wo de ne call no? Oye nipa e chen patients na omguo hospital no. Ana mu communicate up and down. Eye de yelling on top of your voice. at an emergency unit, videoing sick people. Videoing sick people. Do you know the patient doctor confidentiality policy? What rights do you fucking have? What fucking rights? And I was so big hospital. No watch your camera. Now video will be. I was shadow what? Are you stupid? What can I say? Just say Ghana and Chrono. What can I say? We are one and Mugumo. Huh? Why are you people behaving like animals? Why are you behaving like animals? Why are you behaving like animals? Because of one person that is sick, we put all patients in jeopardy. We don't care about their sanity. We don't care about their health. We don't care. Emergency one, virus facility inside. Ah? Emergency unit here, baby. Wow. How stupid can one be? How stupid are you? And it's a ujina doctor, baby. Nipa no catch or say, ya ma wo card at the end. Ujina no him a video na nkasa na wo kan ye nte to put all patients on your stupid platform and act so stupid, childish, and foolish. Kwasiade na we and free SHS would have stopped it. You need free SHS. Mokas will be autobrophobia and educated on. What the fuck? Do you know the legalities entail? Do you know? When you say something, a bit me say government judgment debt. Because me papa nedawa Messi hospital no esi wuni chance dia kan ho kwasi anymore. What kind of stupid behavior is that? What kind of foolish behavior tibon koso kwasi behavior obia because now social media be for and to be at camera no di gyimii kwasi be na kwaya za de no. What kind of stupid attitude is that? Crucifo gyimii sir, running around in the hospital facility with a camera, videoing innocent people. Oh my ording. I have for no more paper na camera that almost. Oh my ording. Patients na munipa ne dan in China na mu video no. Oh my, how dare you go to a facility and start threatening health workers? What bother John Mahama na wama wings John Mahama or your doctor. John Mahama or your doctor. Eso idea for ankokoye medicine. And ankokoye communication. What bother what? Okay, as a science that for more. John Mahama na waba power nti amaye ye say no. John Mahama na ono timi ko school by your doctor nibi. Oh fool what? Foolish networks. The camera chatting people, you will do what? I don't know who do one fancy and see woman. As powerful you thought you were, why were you threatening people? Send out with him there was a way, and I was saying for oxygen. Now this is woman so. Ah? As powerful that you thought you were, that you were screaming. I didn't want to follow oxygen. Now one fancy no so. Now one chini moja and quiet blood with. Stop acting foolish. Stop acting stupid. The stupidity in Ghana is too much. Stop behaving like animals. Now more nipa. Because somebody is committing one in your mind. What is his offense? What is his offense? Your man instructions say we need card. My show. Or no, they making instructions. Hospital, the nipa na koto hon. Or no, they making instructions. On a shemra. Ah? Aso. Nipa na koto no hospital on a shemra. Wabaya basu 8 months, 9 months ni. Emra be no masha pertaining to hospital policies. Ah? Are you stupid? Nipa na ko na no yaman instructions say. Na wonim say woni card in this modern day. Thanks to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, technology na ye die wura bebia na NDC for mo sumu nsua na munya gyimii no. Wonim say odu hospital ye bo wudin keke ye do card bo wudin a automatically information na ekwa wo doctor ho. Ana munim kwasia bra America behwe. Bra America ha behwe. Bra America e behwe. Sa wo ko hospital when you ID card ama na ye di nsua si so. O fu inkrasefo ma. Bra America. Bra America hospital be na call ye. Hospital be na wa call ye any ambulance never foul. America hospital be na call ye any ambulance never foul. Ambulance kwa never foul ye bejo ID card. Ambulance kwa never foul ye do kujuru ye bejo ID card. Hospital be na America wana call ye any ambulance never foul. Now do na so ni ID card. E wapen ye di oxygen si so munya gyimii na munya mmoa. Munya mmoa krom ha. Ubedi wo ID ayi wo insurance. Uwu kra de beba. Uwu kra wo de beba. We are running a country and not a banana island. Ghana near NDC for dia. Enti munya gyimii no. Munya gyimii na 4 years na wa ya. Mo sa kwotino position 8 years. Se munyi ma me afia na mka kire. Me se 4 years na wa ya. Mo sa kwotino position 8 years. Because abanye de she mo nsan. Mu so gyimii nko a. Foko. Kone nam hospital ko video ayarefo. Are you stupid? Do you know what patient confidentiality is? Do you know? Oka so bia na pese obi hu se o direct hospital. Mo ye moa o. Kwasia de bia no matesi krom na moye. Kwasia de bia na moye. Munyu nyansa ni bi o de betase atea mo. Mo anso mo nko school na gyimii.
Obetu achire wa adwene ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.